As with your smartphone, when new services are available or a Peugeot iConnect system update is required, you no longer need to download files onto a dongle or go to a dealership. Your connected Peugeot downloads the updates that you can install directly from your car. These updates only concern in-vehicle infotainment, such as navigation, voice control, or screen functions. They don't concern the vehicle's other electronic systems. Let's follow the procedure step by step. It's very simple. When an update is available, you can also download it via a secure Wi-Fi network. If you choose this option, please start by connecting the vehicle to the chosen network. First of all, access the connectivity menu via Settings, Connectivity, and click on Wi-Fi Networks. Activate the external Wi-Fi and choose a secure Wi-Fi network. Please note that the use of an external Wi-Fi network may entail additional costs, depending on your operator. Enter the password and validate. Your vehicle is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. The network will automatically be recognized on subsequent connections. 5 minutes after connection, you can check if an update is available on your update center via Settings, Updates. If an update is available, click on Press to download. Download starts automatically. You may now leave and lock your vehicle. You can check download status via your notification center. Connectivity must be maintained. If it is not maintained, download will be interrupted. Download will resume the next time you are connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. At the end of the process, a notification is displayed on the central screen to confirm successful download. When download finishes, you can install the update. To do so, please access the notification center or the update center via Settings, Updates. Then click on Press to install. Before clicking on Install, please read the information on the page. It will indicate when the update expires and how long it will take to install it. Then click on Install. The vehicle is immobilized during updating. Do not use your Peugeot during installation. You can monitor its advancement thanks to the progress bar. During updating, the screen may switch off completely several times. If you wish to undertake another journey immediately, please wait for around 4 minutes after the end of the installation. When all the vehicle's indicator lights have gone out, you can start your vehicle again. It is up to date and fully operational. If you wish, you can also leave and lock your vehicle once you've launched the installation, without monitoring its advancement. It will proceed normally. When you start your car again, a message displayed on the central screen will inform you of the installation success. If the installation fails, a message will be displayed on the central screen. If this happens, please contact the support service via the My Peugeot application on your smartphone, selecting Contact Peugeot via the Contact and Assistance tab. A new update will be programmed for your vehicle. Thanks to over-the-air technology, your Peugeot is rapidly updated so that you can enjoy its infotainment in all simplicity.